Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm going to have a little bit of a game with my stamps. I got these a fair while ago now, and when I did I thought, oh dear, they're big. But now I don't care, because not long ago, you might have seen the other day, I bought some and they were tiny, 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 weren't they? Wherever they might be. Here they are. These are wee ones, look. I cut out the dies, but there's my little houses. So I decided today I'm going to have a go at making these, and seeing how these work, because they look really cool. And I just might make a nice row of houses if I want to watch with me while we play for a minute. Because, well, you can do that, or if you don't want to, well, that's okay too. Now, I've got this thing, I've got blue ink all over me now. That's not good. I was using this blue stuff. Don't like it. It makes a big... It's wrong. It's just not right. I'm going to go back to my Memento ink and Distress ink. I will use maybe some of that. And what else did I have there? Actually, that's the only one that I've got in here. No, I haven't. I've got a green one here. I see a small one. What did I do with the green one? Yeah, it's avoided me now. It was no really small. Could have sworn it was. Suppose it better not be swearing, really. Oh, there's a few things that I wanted too. Where's the green ink? I do have colours, but the thing with this is you can colour your stamps, your houses, whatever you want to. See, once you get them onto the thing, you can just colour them in then, can't you? Whatever you want them to be. So I'm going to see how they work. I thought I'd put it on maybe I'll put it on a plain piece of paper. What do you reckon? It might look a bit better. Here's the green one. Look, sitting there looking at me. I don't know. We'll see which one works the best and then we'll try it. So I got these. And they have one thing that moves from all the others. But I got the little cotton reel and I stuck it on there and that worked okay. And I still haven't got the blue off my hands. What the heck? It's a lot of blue. Yeah. Try and get that off a bit. Okay. It's taking time, but that's annoying. It's not very good, I know, but I feel like I want to just do this, and so therefore I've invited you along with me to have a look and see how I go. Let's see what works best. Well, we use some well, that might look good on this. What do you reckon? It might look good on the file folder, and then we can turn it into something if we wanted to, or just play with it. We just play. Okay, so I got this one here. It's cool. I'll do one of these ones. It's hard to store these. Those ones to start with. It's hard to store them, so I'm going to sit down on there like that. Should I make it so I can just colour it in later? Brown? I haven't got brown. No, let's just stamp them. Let's just stamp them, Sonia. There's a pink house. I still can colour it in if I want to. You see, there's not much of this coming out by the look of it. I hope I haven't used it at all. Really? Because I just bought one yesterday, a blue one. Because I thought this was still going along okay, but you might not be able to see it. That might be all it is. Let's have a look at this, see if this works. And I want to try and make it reasonably straight. Well, it didn't come out real good, but I suppose you could just still... there you go, hey? I must have overstamped that. I don't know if it was that much good in the first place, that one. That's not very nice. I don't think it was. I don't think it was that grandiose in the first place. Now, I want to wipe that too, so I want to... I have the tissues here somewhere, haven't I? That's not a bit. Here's a bit. Tissue. We'll give it a bit of a pat. Get that off there. We'll try the green. Let's try the green, see how it comes. The house looks really cool. I do like the house. I'm only just doing this on here to practice though, eh? We're not going to be too get too excited yet or whatever. I don't know if this... Look how much is in the green. It's coming out really good, isn't it? Doing a bit of shaking here. That way. Oh, I missed the middle. Oh, I've got to push down in the centre. Alright. Now I got it. See where that thing is there, that's probably needed to push down on that bit, isn't it? That looks cool. I'll save that later and I'll put it on something. Like, you know, I'll make a ticket out of it or something, maybe. I don't know, maybe I won't do that. Maybe I'll try this now on some text paper or something. Some such thing, see what they look like on here. I don't think this is meant for anything particular. This house on my paper, on my page. I think it's probably something though that you should probably be doing. Oh, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? I do like that. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah, I like that. I think I might have paid about $8 or something for these. I don't remember now. I don't even know. I think I got them on AliExpress. I would have done. Let's try another one. Let's find a bigger one. They got little tiny spaces in them that you could actually colour it in anyway, couldn't you? This one here's nice. Come on. So, why don't I use some of this distress ink and see how it works for stamping. I don't know how it's going to work for stamping. Make sure I put this on the right way. I've got a bit of sticky tape stuck on this, but that's good because it's holding that on. Do you think this will work all right? I can see there's ink still there. It's still wet, isn't it? Yeah, very vaguely. Even though I stress everything with this vintage photo, I do. I'm stressing everything with it. I think there's much collected on my stamp, is there? I'm going to put it on there so we can see what it looks like. Oh wow, I do like that. Very good. Well, that's better. Now this is what we were aiming for. I got one. Oh, I do like that. Now I'll get another one. Of course, if I made a mess on there with this ink and things, I'll put on one of these next. I'll make a little row, I reckon. Oops. Do like the distress ink one. I do like that. I don't think it was anything to do with the stamp. I think it's to do with the ink. Make sure I put a lot on. Oh well, enough. But you can't see it like before. You still can't see it on there, but I'm going to try this one here. We'll put this next door neighbour there, and I just moved it. Oh dear. Sonya, it's a shaking house. That would look good if it wasn't like we got double vision. Oh, it's so much for me line of houses. I'll get it. Nobody worry. I will get it. I'm going to put it down underneath. And I'm going to try not to wobble it this time. Actually, this has got two edges and everything, but it shouldn't have. I don't think it should look that blurry. I don't know. Let me see. It is a bit blurry. I guess you get some things are good and some things aren't. What you get? Okay, let me try the tiny ones now. I want to have a go at them. These are little tiny little houses. I've got to get them on the thing first. They're a bit small. I'll put these two back in here. I didn't have much of a go at this, did I? But I don't want to just stamp around on everything and not do anything with it, so I'm going to have to find a project, don't I? Where does this one belong? Oh, I can't see for looking there. What's going on with that? Oh, there it is. Dear oh dear. I wonder what you people thought of that. Sorry, I couldn't find it. I could not see that. Now, let's see. We have some tiny, tiny ones, right? So let's have a look at these. A lady said these would be good for people who like miniatures. I do love miniature things, but I couldn't see where I was going to put these. The dies, I wasn't a real big fan of them. I'll get this tiny thing off here. I might put a couple on, what do you reckon, next to one another, and that way it'll be a lot better idea, won't it? I can stamp them together. I know they won't be different colours, but I'm going to do them in, I suppose I should have did them in black. Oh, I know. Well, can I just move his out of the way for a minute while I get me good ink out? I hope there's still something in it. I've had it since the year dot. Oh, well, maybe not so long. Sorry about this. Nobody panic, I'm getting it. Nobody panic, I'm getting it. I got it. I got all this stuff as well, but I got it. You've got to pack things on top of things on top of things around here, because the only way I can make it all fit. There's a paintbrush. Let's try this one. This should work, this ink. It's my archival pad that I got for when I want to do anything a bit larger. I think my husband might be wondering if I want me lunch now. I suppose I could have. I'm just going to have a bit of hotted up curried chicken with a bit of toast, I think. That'll be nice, won't it? And now I'm going to put that here. I've got 3 little houses. I didn't press the centre. See, that was the centre bit. I've got to press the centre. Let's work on that, pressing the centre. I'm going to turn it up this way for you. They look awesome. They really do. Not bad. Not disappointed with that at all, even though it hasn't got a... it's not pressed down enough. Press. Now look at that. It's beautiful. Isn't that nice? Oh, I love them. Oh, they're going to be a little tricky to colour, but that's okay. I don't think I'll worry about it. I don't know if I'd worry about colouring it too much. When I'm putting it down, I'm scooting it along, aren't I? I see a lady who's got this most amazing thing that she does stamping with, but I don't think I'll be having one because I'm not... Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, wow. This is good ink too. It works really well. Look at that. Isn't that dear little things? I do love them little houses. I am a fan. Don't they have the bottoms on them? No, they don't. Look at this. See, they've got nothing on across the bottom of them, have they? That is going to look absolutely awesome on a tag. Now, see, you shouldn't judge things. Look at that. I was thinking they were too tiny, and what was I ever going to do with them? But I'm going to keep working with them. And what else have they got? Look at the tree. Oh, let's put the tree on. Oh, wow. Where's something small that I can put this on? I'm never going to be able to find the tree. Did I have another one of those sticky things? I think I did. Where is he? Oh, dear. Over here. But I think it's too... Wait a minute. It's got a bird on it. Hang on. I'll take the bird off a minute. I'll put that on there, a little tiny tree. I'll get some green. Just be careful you don't wobble it around. Look, there it is. It's stamped on there. I can't see where the tree is now. Because of the... Just make sure you get up the right way. Oh dear. Maybe we should have put it on an angle pointing out, so that way is the bottom, okay? So I've got that so it's going there, see? Because I can't see it for this thing. It had this blue knob like it attached from one to the other, but if I say that that's that way, then that's that way, okay? Tiny weeny tree. It is tiny weeny, isn't it? It is tiny weeny, it's right. Which way is it going again? This way. Oh dear, it's a little bit sideways. It doesn't matter. Oh dear, this is fun. Now, I want to make them so they look like they're going back, but they look like they're sitting on top of another. What else have I got on here? On this tiny, tiny thing. There's a flag, and there's some plants. There's a bird, and there's clouds. And it says neighbour. There is no place like home. Really nice. I do love these. These are really nice stamps. I do love these stamps. Look at that. Look at that. I'm really impressed with that. I do like my other ones too. I just probably didn't stamp them with the right stuff. Hey, let's just try that. Let's just see if we've made a mistake with what we used. Now put that on there. Put this back on here. Should have wiped them first. You can wipe your hands now. I don't know what sort of heading I'll put on this. Me playing with stamps, maybe. Probably not doing a very good job of it. These ones here I really like. I put these on a block so I can use them. And I really like these. I'll just show you these ones that I see, but I get them and I put them away and I can't find them, and then what? You know, you don't ever see them again. I don't. I don't know if you can see where I am here. See, that's a baby postcard. That's a tiny, tiny postcard. So let's do another one of them. Okay. There's another tiny postcard. I can use these. If it come out a little bit darker all over, I mustn't have pressed it all the way down properly enough. I don't know if I need another one of these inks, but it seems to have enough in it, doesn't it? We just have to be persistent and hold it there a bit longer. I'm holding onto it like I'm holding down. Oh dear. There you go. They're not too bad. They'll cut out all right. You don't need them perfect for that sort of thing, do you? Now, I wanted to do one of these houses up here with the black and see how that works with the black ink. Okay. Videos I'm going to cut out because it's run out of power or something. I won't be pleased at all. I might put this here. And it's crooked. I managed to put it down crooked. Look at that. Oh, I do love that. Wow. Obviously it does depend on your stamping ability and your stamps probably, how they turn out. So I do like this. I do like how that turned out, and I do love those ones. I do like that one. There's okay. That one's there's okay. And these are good. These are good because I can cut them and use them as little postcards, can't I? I will use this for something too, I'd say. I can use any of it. But see, that's the thing, you can stamp in your collaging too, so you can put stamps in that as well. You can put anything in it, you know, so I really think I should get my stamps out and use them, don't you? We all should probably do that. Get a bit of stamps, a few stamps out. I do like this dress one. This dress form one. It's really neat, isn't it? Anyway, so thank you everybody for watching, and I hope that wasn't too boring. It was just like I wanted to have a look at my stamps since I fished out all this stuff this morning. Thought I'd just see what's going on with them because I hadn't been able to find anything, because you know how that gets. It doesn't matter, you dig down but you still can't get down. So thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.